Will you keep quiet?
This particular bag wey you dey midnight edition. Very well. And they give you to owner, you know one collector.
Continue.
This bag as you dey see, if you waka comot, e go finish because na only 2 remain. Carry am hold for hand. Look mirror. You see am?
Wow.
See as your face come comot well. The brown just bring out your beauty. Okay. But that green for hide am. If your account number there, that one. They go write Ijeoma inside. 5,000 black Italian quarter. No be Italian. They write here. Na Italy or Alaba. That one are printing everywhere.
Will you keep quiet?
Shoe na legit.
I
even get am from my guy from Dubai. If he cost, he correct. I be Dubai Oshodi Express. Because this same designer dey my compound. Mama Nkechi dey use am back. Bring 9,000. Carry am go.
I hear me.
Yeah. From 35K to 9K. Hey. Oga, even your line no get standard. How you go cheat customer like this? Young man.
Sorry,
How they call cheat like that? Na new price. I beg. I will go buy for that other shop. So instead of you to swallow your pride and come back and buy it here, I thought you would laugh at me. I would have come back. So I no still laugh now. I mean because you no see my teeth outside. I don't laugh die inside.